Imagine a tiny bird, barely a day old, with its feathers still soft and fragile, perched on the edge of its nest. The sun is rising, and the world outside seems so vast. The little bird, eager to explore, flaps its tiny wings, trying to take its first flight. It's unsure, hesitating, but the instinct to spread its wings is strong. Fortunately, it fails. It doesn't fall too far. It returns to the safety of the nest. In time, the little bird will try again. But today, it learned an important lesson: not all attempts need to succeed right away.